create a virtual tour, what we do is combine a series of 360 photos, which are images that we take of different spaces, and connect them into a logical walkthrough. These images are then uploaded into a cloud service like Pedra, so anyone can online explore the property virtually. You can capture these 360 photos with almost any device, a Ricoh Theta, Insta360, a GoPro, or even your phone if it supports 360, but this won't normally be the case because phones normally don't take 360 photos. To take the shots, just place the 360 camera in the middle of the room and walk away so you can take the 360 shot without you in it. You could technically remove yourself using even our software Pedra from the photos, but ideally just use the timer from your device to have time to walk away and take the 360 shots. Once you've taken all the 360 shots from all the spaces, what you will do is download them from the device into your phone or desktop, and then you will upload them into Pedra. Okay? You will go into Pedra, click on Create Project, and create 360 Virtual Tour. You will then see all the images that you uploaded, and you will be able to add hotspots. Hotspots are basically the way we indicate people how to navigate the virtual tour, and to place them in Pedra, it's super simple. Just select the image where you want to add a hotspot, for example, an image of a room, and click on the door or on the hallway. That's where we normally add hotspots, and then select where is it going to navigate once users click on that hotspot. So if we click on the door, maybe it leads to a bedroom, a kitchen, or wherever. Okay, and we're going to do that for all the pictures, and so that people can navigate through the virtual tour efficiently. Once we're done, we're going to click on Generate Tour, and the tour will be automatically created. We can then click on Play to visualize the tour, as we can see now. Okay, and we can navigate through the door and so on. And we can also click on Copy Link, and this is the link that we can share away on websites, real estate portals, or even messages. And this is how people will be able to access the tour. You can even use VR headsets to visualize the tour, which is super cool. So if you have a VR headset around, you can connect them to the link and people can actually walk around. These 360 virtual tours can be used for interiors for existing properties, but you can also combine them with renders that you can do in Pedra to show the before and after and have people actually walk around the renovated property, which is awesome. You can also use it to capture 360 outdoor spaces and have people walk around the virtual tour from outside, or even 360 drone shots, which is also super cool. So this is the process for creating a 360 virtual tour. If you have any questions, please drop them below. We will be happy to read them and answer them. And see you in the next video.